chapter 3, part 55. It was remarked once to Jalal with respect to the burial service for the dead that from the earliest times it had been unusual for certain prayers and Quranic recitations to be said at the grave and around the corpse, but that people could not understand why he had introduced into the ceremony the practice of singing hymns during the procession towards the place of burial, which canonists had pronounced to be a mischievous innovation. Well, is it according to the rules or is it not? It would not be Calvinist, right? Jalal replied, the ordinary reciters by their services bear witness that the deceased lived a Muslim. My singers, however, testify that he was a Muslim, a believer, and a lover of God. He added also, besides that, when the human spirit, after years of imprisonment in the cage and dungeon of the body, is at length set free and wings its flight to the source whence it came, is not this an occasion for rejoicings, thanks, and dancing? The soul in ecstasy soars to the presence of the eternal and stirs up others to make proof of courage and self-sacrifice. If a prisoner be released from a dungeon and be clothed with honor, who would doubt that rejoicings are proper? So too, the death of a saint is exactly a parallel case.